Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this video is about pop socket that I ordered recently on Amazon. So it's something like this. So pop socket basically will get stick to the back of your phone. You have to paste it on the back of your phone, and it will give you a better support, in order to get a better hold of your phone. So the whole video is about unboxing this and how to install it on your phone. So keep watching this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the like button if you really like this video. So let's move from here, and I'll show you how to unboxing it. Okay, so guys, this is what I was talking about. That's the pop socket box. I have just taken out the courier cover, and look at this, the good stuff. Rhino Shield pop sockets brought to India by Upbeats. So the delivery part was really smooth. I ordered it 2 days back, and I just received it today. So that way I could say that it was delivered to me within 3 days. So that's what they commit to, and it's really good. See the box? It's a plain simple box. Looks nice. So let's unveil the pop socket. How does it look like? Let's see what is there in this box. Okay. So this comes with autofocus here. Okay. So you see pop sockets, phone grip, and stand. And as you can see, I told you guys that I have ordered the one that has camo theme and camo design painted over it. So that this is something that is going to give your phone a protection from drops, and also would help you to get a better support, better grip for your phone. So this is really handy when you have a phone which is really big, and this will give you a support that you can hold your phone like this. You know, I'll just take this out and show you how to install it on your phone. So let me just look at this. A lot of stuff that is mentioned here. It's made in China, and see the way that you have to hold it. That's the way you're gonna hold it, and that's where you will place it. You can place it anywhere. Pops twice. It says pops twice. Closes flat and then movable. Oh, that's movable. That's great. Let's see. I wasn't aware of it. Okay, let's do this. I'll just take it out. Just give me a second. I need to just cut it from here. Just give me a second. Let me grab a. I just grabbed a scissor. Let me cut it. This is cut, guys. It's cut now. Now you see what does here inside. Okay. Looks something that. Okay. Okay. This is a pop socket. Okay, pop socket user manual. Let's see what all is written here. Okay, pop. It's the way it just tells you how will you install it. How does it get wrapped to your phone? What the heck is this? Trust your buds. Okay. Adjust distance. Remove me. Don't put on the button. Okay. Wash. It is washable. You can move it. Okay. And guys, there's a mount that comes with the pop socket. As you can see here, it's mentioned here. There's a mount that comes. You can buy it. It will cost you about 1,000 rupees in Indian rupees, which I would say about $20. Not $20. It's about $15. So that you can paste it anywhere where you want to mount your phone on. So this can go on your car dash, where where you can put your phone with your pop socket to this the holder basically. So it's a mount, so that's also is there with your. Let me take this out. How does it come out? Let me see. Oh, that's how it is, that you have to take it out. You see there's a glue here. You can see the plastic. Under the plastic there's a glue. Let me take out the glue and we'll try to. I'll just keep this stuff side here. Grab my phone where I have to install the pop socket. So guys, talking about this pop socket, it looks really cool. Look at this. It looks really cool. See, shiny texture, camo design. Feels really nice. I would say feels really nice. The quality is really good. I would say that. But how much durable it is, I don't know. I'll use it and I can tell you, discuss that with you guys later on. But then that's how it is. Let me peel the glue out, the plastic out, and then use the glue and stick it to my phone. This is where I'm gonna stick it. I would stick somewhere here. Let me clean this real quick. Okay, I'll take the glue out. So this comes out really easily. If I have to show it to you, look at this. It came out very easily, and now I have to paste it. You know, you can paste it basically anywhere you want, but just make sure that it looks symmetrical and is easy for you to reach to using your two fingers. You know, I would just paste it here. Let's see. I'll just give it a bit pressure so that it sticks to it for 30 seconds or some time. Just to make sure that it doesn't come off, because it's a plastic and it's really difficult to stick it on top of a plastic. But then I hope it has enough glue that it sticks to a plastic. Let me see. I think it is installed. I'll just keep the pressure for some more time. Looks nice. It is, okay, it looks like it is installed. See guys, it's double pop, that's what they say. Looks really nice. What do you have to say about it? What do you guys think? It looks good. The camo one goes really nice with this color of my phone. Yeah, look at this. It can hold you. Oh no. Okay, let me see. That's the maximum level that it comes out, or it can go beyond that. No, that's the maximum level. So that looks nice. And oh, it kind of rotates. That's nice. So let me just pull this up and then see if my phone is it is holding my phone. I think that's fine. And let me see, how does it feel like holding. Okay, I can hold it easily. It is supporting. My finger gets support. It's very easy to use the phone this way. I mean, if you want to take selfie, you can hold the phone like this, and then this will give you a decent support, and your phone will not fall unless this thing comes out. That's fine. This thing looks strong. I can feel it. That's nice. And it will even protect the back of your phone. This, in this case, I have a case already on this phone, so then it looks good. It is fine. You can install it on your phone if you want an added safety to your phone. But guys, do let me know how do you like it, like if it was really worth spending that much. and share your views about it. I'm open to any feedback that you have about this product, and if any information that you need from me, do let me know. Thank you. Bye.